Hello students, today we will learn how to install Microsoft SQL Server. So to install it, let us start with the browser. So here I'll go to Chrome browser, and on the search bar you can type out here download SQL management SQL Server Management Studio, and then you can click. You will get so many link here. You can scroll it down. You can see there are so many link will appear in the below one. Here you can see all these. So you can click on the first one. You can click on the first one, and once you have clicked, a new window has appeared here, and again you can see download SQL Server Management Studio. And in this one you can scroll it down, and here it is coming up download SQL Server Management Studio, and click on this. Once you will click on this, here download one download progress is appearing here. Now in this one, once it will get completed, then it will be showing you a download, showing you the showing you this particular SSMS setup file in the download folder, and which I have done already. So instead of waiting for this, I'll directly move there. So just let us go there, and I have already got it installed earlier, and this one which I have put there on download, this will be confirmed after some time. So instead of waiting, let us go ahead. So click on this, and here the install button is appearing. Click on install and say here yes, and now it is loading packages. So saying please wait. So just wait to complete it. It will take a little time, please. Now this installation process is over, and then you can close it. Now once you have closed it, and you will have to restart your system, then only whole process will the whole installation process will get completed. And after, as you will restart your system, then after this you can type out here SQL Server Management Studio as it is coming at the top here. So click on this, and once you have clicked, this screen is appearing. This screen is appearing, and now after this you will find another screen, and here it is written server type. It will all the time it will be database engine. Server name, your system's server name will be there. Authentication, I have taken here Windows. This will be Windows authentication, although you can change it, but let it be as it is. So don't make any change, and just press connect. Once you have done, then you can see SQL servers window screen is appearing here. Windows, this is appearing here, and now you can see here database security, server object, replication. So many things is appearing here. So many things are appearing here. So go in the new query, and you can in the new query editor window you can create your database. You can type out here create database, and database name you can give here, say emp2, and just run it, and it has been completed successfully. Your database has been created, and after this you can use this database emp2, and just click on this. It is done, and now after this you can create your tables, like create table. I will create one emp table, say, and in the emp table you can write here emp number as int, emp name as varchar2, varchar, and you can put it, say, 30, and then you can create one more field, say salary as int. Let us take it as decimal, and like this you can execute this command. So your table has also been created, and now when you will select your table, right now no record has been added, so select star from emp. Although there are no records, but still it will show you. Still the screen is appearing here. Like this, your installation of SQL Server is over. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.